It's tutorial time. So today's tutorial is just how to get the mouth structure in the sock puppet. So there's a lot of different ways that you can put the mouth structure in your sock puppet, but I'm just going to show you the one that I use and that I prefer. And then you can get creative and add the details that you want to. You'll need a sock, you'll need some scissors, and you'll need hot glue. And then for the actual structure of the mouth, you could use either cardboard, like a cereal box works well, or you can use, this is something I figured out that works really well, like the folders that you get for keeping your papers and things. They're really flexible plastic, and it just works really well in the sock puppet because it allows you to move the sock puppet around a lot more than you would the cardboard. So whichever one you prefer or whatever you have around the house, you can use that. Then you'll also need some sort of marker or something to trace around your hand. We'll start with the cereal box. So you're going to fold the cereal box over, and you just want to make sure you have enough space to put your hand. And so you see how I've lined my knuckles up with the crease of the cereal box. And then I'm going to trace around my fingers like this. It doesn't have to be a perfect line because you're going to cut it out anyway. So then you're going to keep it folded. You're going to cut under the line by, a couple of centimeters. That way it'll fit inside the sock. So I'm just going to cut under that line as best I can, like this. All right. So then it's going to look like this. And then the same goes for if you wanted to use the plasticky folder. The folder actually already has a fold right here, so I would just start here and put my hand here and do the exact same thing. There's your mouth. So the next step is to take the sock and you're going to turn it inside out because you want that mouthpiece to be on the inside. This is the heel. That's the heel of the sock. You're going to want to kind of flatten it out so that the heel is on top like that. And then you're going to add your hot glue to the bottom part of the plasticky mouth to stick this down like this. So it looks like this. Right, and then you're going to add hot glue to the top. Ooh, this is hot. Okay, so now you've got your hot glue on the top and you're just gonna fold it over like this. And you can kind of adjust the fabric a little bit if you need to before it dries. And then once you have it hot glued on, you're gonna turn the sock back the right way. So you just hold it like this and you pull the sock. Okay, so now you've got your mouth. And it should work really well for you. This is the part where you can get creative and look around the house and see what you can find. I've had a lot of questions about how I do the eyes and the hair of my sock puppet, so I will be doing more tutorials about that if you would like to follow and learn more about how I make all the different details on my sock puppets. I hope if you make a sock puppet that you will tag me and let me see it.